Good morning, harvest chasers. It's November 1st, 2024. I'm in Bowling Green. I think there's a John Deere farmer up this way. We're going to check it out. Yeah, we got a John Deere farmer right up here on the left. We're going to see if we can capture a little action here. It's about 50 degrees today. I think they had a little rain yesterday in Bowling Green, but nice to see some harvest action. Such a busy road too. I'm parked off to the side. Hope you enjoy the video. Have a great day. God bless.